average temperature of each month. So I'll call this as city.
Okay.
Month of Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June. And let's say Pune, Mumbai, Kolkata, New Delhi, Chennai. Okay. Now
Hmm.
I will enter the name of city,
Hmm.
month, and I will get the temperature here. So let's
Okay.
say I enter the name of Kolkata. In the month
Hmm.
of April, I
Hmm.
want to get the temperature. So my
Hmm.
answer should be 17, right?
Right.
As per
Hmm.
this table.
Huh. Right.
Now, what I did was I did it manually.
Huh.
Suppose I am using a function like VLOOKUP.
Huh.
How will that look? So
Hmm.
we are now going to put the Kolkata as the city name,
Hmm.
and let's say this time it's May, and I
Huh.
want to do a VLOOKUP. So in
Huh.
VLOOKUP, what happens is I have to first start with the formula.
Huh.
So first cell here is VLOOKUP value. So what I'm looking up Kolkata.
Huh.
From this is the table array. That means the table. From
Okay.
where I am getting it,
Hmm.
from here I am getting it.
Okay.
And which column number does my, from which column do I want my value? So Kolkata I
আচ্ছা,
want in the month of May.
হ্যাঁ এই যে লুকআপ ভ্যালু সেটা A11 কেন হলো?
This is Kolkata.
ওকে।
Here, look at the A11.
হ্যাঁ ওকে, আচ্ছা A11, ওকে।
So now
And
this
then
column index number is starting from the left, the first column, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. This is
হ্যাঁ,
number 6.
কলাম ইন্ডেক্স নাম্বার, ওকে। হ্যাঁ।
And range lookup means true or false. True means it's a close match,
হুম।
and exact means the values have to be exact. We'll
আচ্ছা।
see that later. For now, let's just assume, and let's by default it is true. That means closest match, or like in place of
এক্সাক্ট।
Kolkata, if I say Kolkata, that is a
হ্যাঁ।
close match.
আচ্ছা।
But if I say exact, then it will only look for Kolkata, not for
কলকাতা।
Kolkata.
ওকে।
So it fetched me the value of 18. Now
হুম।
let's check on the table. So this is Kolkata. Month of
হুম।
May, it's 18.
ওকে।
So it's correct.
হ্যাঁ।
Now let's take a random value. So if I change this to Mumbai, what should my value be in the month of
মুম্বাই,
May?
in the month of May, Mumbai is 17.
Wait, it changes to 21. Why? Because this is actually not sorted. It is true. Yeah.
হুম।
Okay. Now it's coming as 17. Let's try with another one. Let's say I want Chennai. Again in the month of May, it is getting me 20. So it's matching up.
তো
Now,
মুম্বাইটা কেন হয়েছিল?
Mumbai actually
Mumbai-
what it did, it started from 17.
হ্যাঁ
18, it was already at 18. So closest match ki hachilo or kache, right, between A, B, C, D, it was going, Mumbai was the next value after Kolkata. So it fetched that 21 from here.
ওকে
It was something wrong actually.
হুম
Now, if you see here, what I'm doing, I'm manually counting the column number, right? 6. Suppose I want Chennai in the month of June. If I change this, then what do I have to do? I have to also change the column name from 6 to 7.
হ্যাঁ
Now this has to be done manually.
হ্যাঁ
So there is a workaround for that. What is that? I can dynamically get the position of this from my table. How?
ও-
By using the match column. There is something called as match formula.
ওকে
The match formula will do what? It is similar to VLOOKUP.
হুম
It will look up the value. What value do I want to look up? I want to look up June. From
Okay.
where do I want to look up? From the first one.
Okay.
And match type, it's basically 1, 0 or -1. 0 is exact match.
Okay.
1 is close by, and actually 1 and -1 are more used if you have numbers. -1 is less than that number, +1 is more than that number.
হ্যাঁ
So the June is column number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So
হ্যাঁ
I get my number 7 here.
ওকে ওকে
Let's try
এটা কি
this with April. I'll show you one more. We did match.
ম্যাচ
Match what? What
Huh.
value to look up? Look up value. That means what value I am finding. From where I am finding. And match
সিটি
type.
সিটিটাকেও সিলেক্ট করতে হবে, সেটা
Na
সিটিটাকেও
city
সিলেক্ট
no. City mane whole column. If I don't
Huh.
select city, that's also fine. In that case,
Huh.
what will happen? See,
Huh.
if I start from here,
হ্যাঁ
if I do the match here,
হ্যাঁ
I am look up value what? April. From where?
হ্যাঁ
From here.
হুম
Match type. Match type is 0. So it will fetch me 4.
ওকে
That means Jan, Feb, March, April. April is fourth column. But if my pivot table, the VLOOKUP table starts from column A, then my April is 5.
5 রাইট
So whenever I do that calculation, if I start from column B, then I have to do +1.
ওকে
Otherwise, if I start from column A, then I don't need to do that +1.
Okay. But it is like, if when it's saying like number 4, if
Yes.
I don't select city, then it will automatically take number 4 because April is in 4th column.
It will, but it will only take for the first row. But we don't need it for the first row. We need it for these values, right?
Huh.
But here there is no April.
Okay.
But I want
So
a fourth value, fourth column.
1, 2, 3, 4 April. So if I would like to check New Delhi in April,
Yes,
what
let's
is
try
the
this. Let's try this. So now what I'll do, next step, I will merge these two formulas, my VLOOKUP and my match,
match
so that
okay.
it becomes totally dynamic. So let's say
Okay.
I have New Delhi here, and in the month of Feb,
Okay.
I don't know what the value is. I will say VLOOKUP.
Hmm.
VLOOKUP what? Yes. Can
Temperature.
you tell me?
Yes, we look up value is New Delhi,
Right.
and
Table
then
array.
table array is um,
This
table
entire
array
thing.
from Pune to right, and then
Column index number
column is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
in the
April
month
is
of February, we said.
February, then
Yeah.
3.
3, right? So instead
Right.
of counting, what I will do, I will use match. Match
Okay.
what? Match February. From
Okay.
where? Let's do it this time from Jan to June.
June.
0. Now this is one step behind, right? So I have to add
Ah.
1.
Oh,
And
since I have taken from January to
right,
June.
right. This
Okay.
is very critical. If
Hmm.
initially I used to show starting from Jan, then people were a
Ah,
bit confused why I'm doing that +1. Then I
right.
started with this column A.
Okay.
So now let's check New Delhi in the month of February 16.
Ah, right.
Now the beauty of this is I can change it to any value. It will dynamically change. See, Bangalore, February
Ah,
18, Bangalore, May 21. See, it matches
20.
up.
Right.
My table can be whatever size, doesn't matter. Only thing here required is whatever I am looking up should be the dynamic, should be the first leading column.
Okay. And over here it says 0. 0 means exact, right?
Correct.
And then +1 means like the first column.
No, this +1 is to bump it ahead.
Okay.
See, if you look at these two columns,
Hmm.
Jan, Feb, March, this is greenish.
Hmm.
Whereas my pivot table is starting from one column before that.
Hmm.
So my February is column number 2. But in my
Hmm.
pivot table, February is actually column number 3.
Right.
So I need to bump it up by 1. That is what I am doing here.
Okay. Because if it is not selected from column 1, I have to add 1.
Yes. But if you
Okay.
start from column A,
Hmm.
then you
Then I
don't
don't
need
need.
to add that 1.
Yeah. Then how do I do that?
In that case, I'll not just do A. Let's try the next one without doing it. Okay. So
Okay.
I will use, let's say, Chennai, Pune in
Hmm.
the month of March.
Hmm.
So I'll do VLOOKUP.
Hmm.
VLOOKUP what? Pune.
Hmm.
Table array
Hmm.
is my entire thing.
Hmm.
Which column do I want? For that, I have to use match.
Hmm.
Match what?
Pune.
Pune is, no, this is month, right?
Month. তাহলে B13.
Right. Comma.
B13. Then the array had from city to June. হ্যাঁ তার মানে A1 to G1. হ্যাঁ comma.
Comma.
Then
0.
0.
Yeah.
হ্যাঁ then close
Exact
the
match.
parentheses. Exact match. Comma. হ্যাঁ
Close this.
close.
Then
হ্যাঁ
true or false. Exact match is false.
false.
Then I close this.
Hmm.
Now in this case, Pune month 14, I didn't bump it up by 1
Hmm. Right. But
because
the
I was.
exact match means false. What does it mean?
Acha, I'll
The
show you
exact.
the exact match example in a little while. This
Okay.
is clear.
Yes. Yes. So I can do like match in separate column, and then I can
Yeah,
March.
yes. It is always better like that. Yesterday we were doing that text manipulation.
Right,
Remember,
right, right,
length
right,
and find. So first,
right.
if you do it one time, then it
Ah,
will click in your mind. You know that yes, this is what I need to do. Once you become an expert, you can do them at one shot.
okay, right. Because sometimes you forget to write the formula, like you don't remember
Yes.
the formula what
Yeah. I
exact.
never advise people to learn formulas by heart.
Yeah.
Rather, if we do it this way, what happens?
Huh,
You start step by step. Na? What's the hurry?
huh,
Stop.
right.
Start with match. Once you get this,
And then go to the function and I
go to
can
the
see.
function and do it step by step.
Right,
I would rather get it right, than
right,
mess it up.
right, exactly. And everything is explained over here. Lookup value is the value.
Absolutely.
Ah,
Absolutely.
hmm, right.
Clear. Now let me show you another important feature of Excel. At
Hmm,
any point of time, suppose you are stuck with this formula.
ah,
It's not coming to your mind, what did I do in class, and you have missed your.
help on the function.
Do you
Okay, help on the function.
want help on this function?
Ah, okay. So I can get the help from there. Okay.
It takes a few minutes.
Hmm. Mhm. Is it being recorded?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
So you get a example here,
Okay.
and it gives a very nicely worded thing, and you also
It's
have
a
a
video.
video here.
Okay. Yeah.
All right. To
Hmm.
watch this video, and I'll need to just stop and share with the sound. Okay, I'll just stop the share,
Hmm.
and then I will share it with the sound. Can you?
Need to see exact
Can
or
you hear
closest
the
position
video?
of a value in a row,
Yes.
column,
Yes.
or
Yes.
table in Excel? Use the match function to find it. Choose a cell outside your data to put your formula in. Under Formulas, select Lookup and Reference, Match. There are 3 fields to fill. Lookup value is the value you want to find. This is usually text or a number. Lookup array is the range of cells or values you want to search in. Match type is how Excel matches lookup value with what's specified in lookup array. This field is optional, but it can only be 3 values. 1 finds the largest value that's less than or equal to lookup value. 0 shows the first value equal to lookup value. Or -1, which finds the smallest value greater than or equal to lookup value. Add your search values and select OK. You can also find the relative position of a number. For example, one that's closest to 60. Sort your data in the order you want. And then create a new formula and adjust the match type. And you get the closest value. You got it.
Okay.
Did you see that he actually went very fast towards the end?
and then create a new formula and adjust the match type.
So what he is doing is, if you see here,
Huh.
he has first
Huh.
sorted this months in position.
Right.
Then his lookup array is C2 to C17, only one array.
Huh.
And his lookup value is 60.
Yes. Lookup value 60 means
He's in
where
this,
I would like to.
yes. So he's going to look for the value of 60 in this list.
Acha.
And -1 +1. -1 is less, +1 is more.
হ্যাঁ তার মানে if it is -1
That's
then it
closest
will
to
be
60. Sort your data in the order you want.
Now, after sorting, if you look, there is no exact 60 here.
no.
Do you see the
If it
values
is,
here?
right. If it is -1, then 55 would be the closest one, right?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
57.
Yes.
Yeah, I didn't see that 57. So 57 will be the closest.
Which
If
is
it
less
was
than 60.
right, if it was +1, then 61 should be the
Correct.
closest.
Correct.
Okay.
That is how this plus and minuses are used.
Okay. Okay. And if it was exact, then there would be no value because
Exactly.
it is exact.
Exactly.
Yeah. Okay.
Now see, in this case, he just considered the months in position.
Right. Yeah, there is no. Oh, yeah, right. Months in position. Right. Employee position.
Employee name, email, and months in position.
But he in the VLOOKUP.
Now,
I mean, in the
if suppose you want to use a VLOOKUP and get the email or the employee name, then you need to move the months in position to the first column.
Okay.
And then you will be able to fetch the relevant employee name or the email.
Okay. I cannot do it like, however it is.
You can,
mentioned.
there is a way to do that. That you can create a dynamic table basically.
Achha.
Virtual table. So where you say the first column is months in production, months in position.
Right. Position.
So that becomes your virtual table.
Okay. Okay. So, and one more thing. This is this kind of table VLOOKUP. I can use, or I can make this kind of table or get any kind of information out of this table from pivot table also, right? If I can make a pivot table like this.
Yes,
can
you
I make
can. You can.
And I can get the informations like, whatever the data I want.
Right.
Instead of VLOOKUP, can I get it from pivot table too?
You won't be able to, from pivot table, you won't be able to pick a particular column. Pivot table is like creating a table. It will show you all the values.
Okay.
Like in table, unless you do a filter, you see all the values, right?
Yes, that's what I was trying to tell you. Like, if I do filter, then only I can see the particular.
Yes.
Okay.
Now see, there are different examples here. Like we were talking about SUMIF, match, if function. So all these are examples of the help text from Microsoft. So if you want to look at SUMIF, click on it and it will give you an example along with a small video.
Okay. Yes.
So in this case, they are looking up products sold, salesperson, and the product and the quantity.
Some of us A3 to A10 means such a quantity. A3 to A10 range, and B3 to B10 the product.
Criteria. And then you can say bananas.
and then criteria range, and then criteria 1.
Yeah, criteria 1
Criteria
is
1.
product here in this case, bananas.
Acha. हाँ.
So bananas is 22 plus 12. So it'll give you an answer of 34.
Okay. Bananas, right. हाँ.
So if you play this,
Select the product. Just one. Product is banana.
now he's adding salesperson to it. Salesperson is Tom. Now if you add Tom to it, answer will be 22.
আচ্ছা, এই যে এখানে যে এই যে ইয়েটা বলছে ক্রাইটেরিয়া সাম রেঞ্জ, ক্রাইটেরিয়া রেঞ্জ, ক্রাইটেরিয়া 1. ক্রাইটেরিয়া 1 হচ্ছে দ্য প্রোডাক্ট, পার্টিকুলার প্রোডাক্ট, রাইট?
Correct.
ব্যানানা। তা এখানে ব্যানানাটা আমি এখানে B13 টাই কেন নিচ্ছি, মানে B13
এখানে লেখা আছে বলে এই যে
আচ্ছা,
B13
আচ্ছা।
এ banana. I
মানে
can
আমি
replace it by apples.
হ্যাঁ,
So it will dynamically pick up.
okay, okay. So first, whatever I want, like amount I want for that particular product, সেই প্রোডাক্টটা ওখানে আমাকে লিখতে হবে।
Correct. এটা just to explain to you.
হ্যাঁ,
Right. Now you can
হ্যাঁ,
directly pick up the product from the main table itself. Instead of
okay.
B13, you can click on B3 also, or you can click on
আমি
B7
সেটাই
also.
বলছি। হ্যাঁ, হ্যাঁ, আমি সেটাই বলছি। হ্যাঁ,
Right. Right.
সেটাই বলছি। আমি অ্যাপল B3 লিখতে পারি। হ্যালো?
হ্যাঁ।
হ্যাঁ, তাহলে আমি অ্যাপল, আমি মানে এখানে যে নট নেসেসারিলি আমাকে B13 এখানে ব্যানানা আছে এটাই
Correct.
আমায় করতে হবে। আমি ওখান থেকেও করতে পারি।
হ্যাঁ।
B7, B8 ও লিখতে পারি।
Right. Right.
হ্যাঁ, ওকে।
Actually কি হয়, when you do these lookup or match or sum if, usually you do it in another table where you'd be matching corresponding values,
হ্যাঁ,
isn't it? You don't do this in the same table. You
right.
can might as well do a
Right.
filter and
Same
get it
table,
out.
right.
That's what most of us have
Right.
been doing, right? Just do a filter, select those and you will get the answer. But if you want it in another table,
Right.
problem with that filter is you have to again copy it, paste it, create, format that table and do those. That's extra work. And then you're duplicating the
Right.
data.
Search.
Clear? Now let me show you something, how we can use a pivot table that we were creating. Suppose I'm doing an invoice for a company. And in this Excel, I tell them, give me a brand. So the sales guy who is, who is at the billing counter, he will, from the list, he will pick up what brand, what item, and the corresponding price it can look up and get from the price table. This is using VLOOKUP. And what will happen, all this part, he will, we can disable it so that he will not be able to do anything. He will just enter the values here, whatever is in yellow.
Okay.
So like this, suppose he's buying apple, he's buying a pad, and price is, we can do a VLOOKUP, right? And then get the price.
Hmm.
Now to do that VLOOKUP, we need a table, like this. Or I can pick it up from here also. So let's say my laptop is worth 30,000. So if I try my same formula here, what I'm doing a VLOOKUP.
Hmm.
VLOOKUP what? Apple. From where?
Okay.
From this table. Sorry. From this.
Hmm.
And
আমি অন্য মানে আদার শিট থেকেও আমি এটা কপি করতে পারি।
comma, and I
Okay.
want to do a match.
Hmm.
Match of
Hmm.
what? Match of this item
Same.
from,
From the item.
I can start from here.
Hmm.
I haven't completed it. When I press that enter, it actually closed the formula out.
Exact match, right?
Yeah.
Comma 0. So 0 is the why it is coming as false? 0 is the false.
No, 0 is this for the match, exact match.
হ্যাঁ, exact
False
match.
is for the VLOOKUP.
VLOOKUP. Okay.
Now, once I get this value, all I have to do here is give the number of items, and the total gets calculated, SGST gets calculated, CGST gets calculated, and the grand total gets calculated, all automatically.
Okay. So CGST, SGST also have a formula, right?
Yes. Now see, if I want to copy this VLOOKUP, what will be my variable? This B12 will be variable, but my sheet, this,
So B12 is constant. No, B12 is variable.
so all I'll do here is error. It's a number, so I want a 0 to be displayed.
Okay. আচ্ছা, এই যে ফিল্টারটা যে করছেন আপনি, সেটা কি ম্যানুয়ালি ওই ফিল্টারে গিয়ে ওটাকে সিলেক্ট করে ফিল্টার করতে হয়?
হ্যাঁ, আমি আপনাকে ওটা দেখিয়ে দেবো, এটা আছে আমাদের টপিকে।
আচ্ছা।
All I have to do here is put number of items, quantity. Rest of it is calculated.
Okay.
Same thing if I just populate this one. So what we are taking, suppose somebody walks into my shop, I'll take the customer's name, I'll take his address, I'll take his GST number. The date, if you notice here, I'm using now and today. If I want it with the time, I will use now. So when I opened this sheet, it
Hmm.
automatically updated it to current date and time.
Okay.
Then I come down here. I have the numbers,
Hmm.
brand, whatever
Hmm.
item. It'll just fetch me this.
Hmm. So I have to put the VLOOKUP or match formula in the item and the brand.
That's it. I
Okay.
just have to choose
Hmm.
this and the
Hmm.
price.
Right. Okay.
And the rest of it gets populated.
Hmm.
So like this is an application of the VLOOKUP and match that we did. I don't know what my customer
Okay.
is going to buy, or maximum I've given 8 rows. I can make it 10, I can make it 15, depending on, or make it 5. And
Okay.
just to show you this, here what I could also do is I can make it I'm going to protect the sheet.
With the password?
Yes.
Okay.
Only this one
Hmm.
I'm going to enable. So for that, I'll go
Okay.
to format cells, protection.
So basically, if you enable a particular column, then other columns, like, without the password, we cannot change.
Right. ABC.
Okay.
Now see, if I try to change this, system will say no.
Mm-hmm.
But if I
And
want
I
to
have to do
change,
unprotected sheet.
I want to change this,
Hmm. No.
I can choose a value, but here I'll have to leave this as disabled actually, so that I can choose the values.
Hmm. Hmm.
But this one I can't change. This will only come from my values.
Hmm. আচ্ছা এখানে যে এই যে একটা আছে আনপ্রোটেক্ট শিট একটা আছে প্রোটেক্ট শিট এন্ড প্রোটেক্ট ওয়ার্কবুক আমি যদি দ্য হোল ওয়ার্কবুককে আমি
Yes,
ইয়ে করতে চাই প্রোটেক্ট করতে চাই
correct.
দেন
Yes,
উইথ দ্য পাসওয়ার্ড দেন দ্যাট অপশন উইল বি
yes,
ওকে হ্যাভ টু বি ইউজড ওকে প্রোটেক্ট শিট মিন্স লাইক not the whole sheet
correct.
anything in the okay lock okay unlock cell okay.
So now here I just did that. I can choose another one.
Hmm.
It will populate this. I try to change it, I can't.
Okay.
But rest of the things work fine.
Okay.
Would you want to try now?
Yes.